Join me as I put the top Samsung S24 Ultra Back covers to the test and see which one offers the ultimate protection. The Samsung S24 Ultra is an absolute beast of a phone, with its massive 6.8-inch screen, 108-megapixel camera, and lightning-fast processor. It's a premium device that truly deserves premium protection. We've all been there. You're going about your day, and suddenly, disaster strikes. Your phone slips out of your hand and hits the pavement, or you accidentally scratch it on a rough surface. It's a terrible feeling, and it can be expensive to repair or replace. But the good news is that a high-quality back cover can help prevent these kinds of accidents from happening in the first place. Phone damage is a huge concern for many of us. In fact, a recent survey found that over 50% of phone owners have cracked their screen at some point. And it's not just the screen. Phone cases can get scratched, dented, or even shattered, leaving your device vulnerable to further damage. That's why it's so important to choose a back cover that offers real protection. But it's not just about protection. A good back cover can also add some serious style to your phone. Whether you're into rugged, outdoorsy designs or sleek, minimalist looks, there's a back cover out there that's perfect for you. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your phone is safe and secure. When it comes to back covers for the Samsung S24 Ultra, there are a few different options to choose from. Rugged cases are perfect for those who like to rough it. They're made with tough, durable materials that can withstand even the most extreme conditions. Slim cases, on the other hand, are designed for those who want a little extra protection without adding bulk to their phone. And then there are designer options, which offer stylish, fashion-forward designs that are sure to turn heads. Rugged cases are great, but they can add a lot of bulk to your phone, which may not be ideal for everyone. Slim cases, while sleek and stylish, may not offer as much protection as you need. And designer options can be pricey, but they're often made with high-quality materials that will last. So, what's the best back cover for the Samsung S24 Ultra? Based on user reviews, durability tests, and aesthetics, I'd have to say that the Tech Armor case is the clear winner. Not only does it offer top-notch protection against scratches and drops, but it's also incredibly stylish, with a sleek design that complements the phone perfectly. But don't just take my word for it. The Tech Armor case has been put through its paces in countless reviews and tests, and it's consistently come out on top. It's durable, it's stylish, and it's affordable. What more could you ask for? In conclusion, choosing the right back cover for your Samsung S24 Ultra is crucial. With so many options out there, it can be tough to make a decision, but by considering your needs and priorities, you can find the perfect case for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite back cover for the S24 Ultra. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and if you want to check out more smartphone accessories, be sure to watch my previous video on the top phone wallets. See you in the next one.